As photogenic as that is, that's kind of steep and rather narrow. Although I don't think even my mirrors rubbed anything, it's still narrow. Going back up it, many of y'all would be switching into 4 high or something like that. I'm leaving it in 2-wheel drive, and I'm gonna use my little stick shift. And we'll take it out of drive and we'll put it in 1 or 2. Maybe both. We'll see. We'll see how the engine and the torque and my speed feels so that I don't lose traction. Let's go. So it's just 2-wheel drive, 2nd gear, and turn the nannies off. Don't need all those special, oh, what control? Which mode should I put it in? Man, learn how to drive 4-wheel drive. Or just a truck, actually, because I never put it in 4-wheel drive.